Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. So I've just got this arrived, another Bolex, damaged, that a seller actually contacted me through Bolex Repair Philippines, wanted to know if we buy defective Bolex, which we do. So I just got the shipment in. We're going to see specifically what model it is and what the problem is with the Bolex, and hopefully to restore it back to new. So let's get started here. Well, first we'll open it up. Wow, so far I'm amazed. Everything so far seems to be intact. The turret, the lenses. It's probably a little dirty. Probably needs a CLA, clean, lube, and adjustment. This is a D8L. Got the pistol grip on it. Let's check it further. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if we can open it. It looks pretty good so far. Empty spool. Film gate so far looks alright. Yeah, it's going to need a CLA. Close it up. Spool back. Okay, so now we're going to wind it up. Open the door. And listen out to where the problem could be. So what I'm hearing here, it needs a CLA, clean, lubed, and adjustment. The motor's barely turning. It's very dirty. Yep, CLA. I don't know if you can hear this. Hear how sluggish that is? That's going to need a CLA, clean, lubed, and adjustment. Hope you enjoyed my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click like on my videos. Thanks a bunch, and bye-bye.